It's going.
There we go.
Why does it sound like NASCAR?
It was maxed out, buddy.
I guess the. Did you not tighten that bolt down? Trevor, did you not tighten that all the way?
I think it did.
I don't think you did.
Thought it did.
We're just looking at it. I don't think you did.
Wonder if it's not the camera. I'll
Trevor.
put the camera.
I see what you did.
What'd I do?
Put one upside down.
No, I didn't. Damn it.
What do you?
The screwdriver.
But it should have still flown a little bit, right?
No.
Maybe not, because it was self-leveling.
Wait, what the heck?
What?
Is this using the right props?
You handed me that one.
I didn't need this one.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure if it was.
Let me go grab. Do you want me to grab a couple of props or something?
Grab the one that's also on the table.
All right.
There's
I'm gonna
no
grab the